You can make tarot decks out of these playing card games. Simply buy a starter pack and you get enough cards you can tell random theories. I would usually pick one up every payday. And if you buy one of these, they will tell you great mysticism and concentration. And if you use your will to perceive them, they will listen to you. So, what do we have here? We have a High Tide Hermit. The cards will always obey you. They will never misdeceive you. In any way or shape. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Hello. You can always make your own cards. It doesn't matter. I prefer to buy the simple booster packs and make tarot decks from them, from the trading of the card games. But they are very valuable and they get wet and soiled. So I do have online versions. I'd like to flick through them and create a online tarot deck which will never be concealed. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video on tarot. My next video later tonight, when it gets darker, will be mine. God bless and farewell.